Not like him. Not feel a spark for a moment and move on. But actually respect him. The kind that changes how she talks to you, how she thinks about you, how she treats you when no one's watching. Because here's what most men never figure out. Attraction can happen in 30 seconds. A good look, a funny line, the right moment. But respect is what makes her stay. And without it, everything fades. The attraction, the connection, all of it. Until you're left wondering what went wrong. So what actually creates it? I'm going to show you the one shift that makes her go from "he's nice" to "I actually respect this man." And here's the thing. It's the opposite of what most people in this space will tell you. It has nothing to do with your looks, your money, or how good your game is. But first, have you ever watched a guy walk into a room? Not the best looking, not the richest, not the one cracking jokes. And yet women listen to him differently. They pay attention when he speaks. They take him seriously in a way they don't with other men. That's not luck. That's psychology. And by the end of this, you'll understand exactly what's happening in those moments. Here's where most men get it wrong. They think respect comes from impressing people, from proving value, from being agreeable, avoiding conflict, never giving anyone a reason to walk away. So they perform, they shrink, they shape themselves into whatever they think she wants. And ironically, that's exactly what kills it. Respect doesn't grow when a man chases it. It grows when he doesn't need it. I want to show you what that actually looks like in real life. I knew a guy. Average height, normal job, nothing flashy about him. One night we were all out as a group, and his girlfriend started giving him attitude in front of everyone. Getting loud, being dismissive. You know the moment. Most guys either go quiet and take it, or they escalate and make it worse. He did neither. He just looked at her calmly and said, "We're not doing this here." Then turned back to the conversation like nothing happened. She was annoyed for maybe an hour. But for the rest of that night, the way she looked at him completely changed. Something shifted. That's respect. Not a speech, not a fight. Just a man who knew exactly where his line was and held it without flinching. Now contrast that with another guy I watched slowly lose everything over 6 months. Smart guy, good guy. But the moment she got cold or distant, he would spiral, over-explain. Send 3 messages when she didn't reply to 1. Ask, "Are we okay?" after every minor disagreement. Until the question itself became the problem. He thought he was being caring. What she was actually experiencing was a man who couldn't stay steady unless she gave him permission to feel okay. She didn't leave because she stopped liking him. She left because she stopped respecting him. So what's really happening in these moments? It comes down to 3 things, not tactics, not lines. 3 specific behaviors that either quietly build respect or slowly drain it. First, how you treat your time. If you're always available the second she calls, if you drop everything at the first sign of her attention, you're not being romantic. You're showing her your time has no real value, and people assign worth to what's treated as worthy. Most men give their time away freely and then wonder why she stops valuing it. The man she respects has a life she has to fit into, not a schedule that rearranges itself around her mood. Second, what you tolerate. Every time you let something slide that genuinely bothers you, every time you swallow your standards to keep the peace, she's calibrating, not judging cruelly, just figuring out where your actual edges are. And if she discovers you don't have any, the respect drains, not all at once, drop by drop, until one day the container is empty and she can't even explain why she feels differently about you. Third, how you handle approval seeking. Did that land? Is she happy? Does she still like me? When a man moves through the world constantly looking for that external confirmation, he's communicating one thing underneath it all. I'm not enough on my own. I need you to tell me I'm okay. And no one, not a woman, not a friend, not anyone, truly respects someone who needs them that much. The man she respects checks in with himself first. His center of gravity is internal. Now here's what changes when you get all three right. When a man is centered, when he knows his worth without performing it, when he's okay with silence, okay with disagreement, okay with not being everyone's favorite in the room. People feel it before they can name it. There's nothing to grab onto, nothing to shake. That groundedness is more powerful than any surface quality you could work on. She doesn't think he's so confident. She just feels something different around him, something solid, something she doesn't want to lose. So here's the challenge I'm leaving you with. For the next 7 days, every time you feel the urge to text first when she's gone quiet, to over-explain when she pushes back, to soften your opinion just to avoid friction, pause for 60 seconds and do nothing instead. Stay in yourself. Hold your position. You won't lose her doing that. You'll finally show her the version of you worth respecting. Because respect isn't something you ask for. It's something people feel when they realize you won't betray yourself to get it. And once a woman feels that from you, attraction doesn't just follow, it deepens, and it stays.